With an FDA advisory panel vote set for Friday, we're one step closer to federal approval of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. So how does it compare to Moderna and Pfizer?
The most important thing about it is that it's a lot easier to use. It's a single-dose vaccine.
Dr. Sebastian Ruse, the chief medical officer for Chase Brexton Healthcare, explained that means the Johnson & Johnson vaccine reaches its maximum efficacy after just one dose. Johnson & Johnson trials showed a 72% overall efficacy rate in the U.S. Moderna and Pfizer rates are higher.
These two vaccines were approved at two different times.
Dr. Ruse says the numbers shouldn't sway people one way or the other.
If the Moderna and the Pfizer would have been approved at the same time just now with higher amounts of new infections in the communities and with variants circling around, which might be more contagious, the Pfizer or Moderna vaccine might be closer to the numbers from the Johnson & Johnson.
And although we don't have detailed data from the Johnson & Johnson trial yet, Dr. Ruse says there are promising indications about allergic reactions.
From the little information that was shared so far, that no one experienced any severe allergic reactions. So the Johnson & Johnson might also be the one that is more preferable to people who tend to have allergic reactions.
He says one source reported that the Johnson & Johnson vaccine might be less effective in people 60 and older with certain advanced health conditions, and the FDA might issue some recommendations or restrictions. Overall, regardless of which vaccine, Dr. Ruse stressed what he says is the most important consideration.
It's important for as many people to get vaccinated as fast as possible for us to get the disease under control. Which vaccine we choose or which vaccine is available, I think that is secondary.
And so we know the problem with all the vaccines is still availability. Health officials say that they plan to do 2,000 shots a day here at this mass vaccination site by next week. Reporting live at M&T Bank Stadium tonight, Kai Reed, WBAL TV 11 News.
All right, Kai, thanks.